Hey, how you doing? Hi.
Hi.
You coming? Come here! Oh yeah, he does have insta-rev. Bitch! Take off insta-rev.
Joe!
Eat shit. Eat shit, bub. Don't lock him, don't lock him. Don't lock him. Too early.
Wait!
Nope.
No, it missed! I'm about to die.
Oh,
Oh, he stunned me.
I see that.
Oh my god, you saved me! I'm dead.
No, you're not. He's on the floor.
Oh yeah, bro, I'm like one shot. I'm gonna leave now.
Why? Whoa! Whoa! Oh, 360, 360. Slam the door. Eat shit. Eat shit. Yeah, that's what I thought. You're on your fucking face again, pal. How's that feel? Oh, excuse me. I need to go to a different door. He's kind of in the way.
Oh.
Wait a minute. Oh, he's still he's just breaking the door down. Oh, never mind. They found it on it. Oh, it does hurt. Bitch, eat that. Trying to attack my Connie. Fuck you. Oh, shit! Hey, Bubba. No, you don't want round 2. No, I promise you, you don't want round 2. Nah, move. Excuse me. Get shit on, Bubs. Come on now. Unless this big ogre doesn't want me to. Oh, hey, sissy. Oh, hey, hitchhiker. Oh, hi. It's the whole fucking trio. Oh, this door's broken. Well, he didn't break this yet, so I'll just go across it. When you see the children. Where'd sissy go? She's coming out the back right here. Oh, big spins, bro. This is Dead by Daylight. Get your money up, not your funny up, pal. I know, the old man has fucking back problems. I see it. What do you want? You're smelly. Go away. This door's also gone? Yeesh. Bubba's just breaking all the doors. He doesn't like doors slammed on his face, I guess. Just hitchhiker now. What happened to... Oh, there's sissy. Nah, she doesn't know a thing. Grandpa's in danger! Haven't you seen? Sit down, little man. Sit down, little man. No! Why? Oh, she peed on me. She didn't pee on... Oh my god, I almost died because of a pee. You're the pee monster, sissy. I want you to know.
Hitchhiker. Go away.
I get shit on, honestly. Like, what? Like, what is going on? Like, they just love doors in their ass. Oh, you know what? Fuck your progress.
Wait a minute, Bubba!
Fuck your progress. Oh, does that make you mad? Oh, it does make you mad. Oh, I closed the door on it myself. I deserve that, honestly. I closed the door on myself and I fucking passed out.
Bubba!
It's got a bodyguard.
What you doing there?
It's got a... Wait, sneak in behind him, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, or maybe he's rolling. Doesn't know.
I speed!
There's no hitchhiker trap? Oh, that's...
I speed!
Oh my god, let's go.
Bubba's bazinga.
Chainsaw.
Oh, there's
Bubba.
Bubba.
Chainsaw.
I don't know.
How is
He was trying to be a
He's gonna
man.
insta-rev the second you go for the door. Except for the problem,
No.
you unlocked it in like 0.2 seconds.
Wait a
Hi.
minute, Bubsy.
Hi, Julie. Did she just body you?
No, I bodied her.
Uh-oh.
I didn't know she was behind the door.
Wait, is he here?
Bubba!
Oh, shit!
Bubba! Bubba! I got you, boys! Alright, time to go.
I may be grabbing more bone scrap.
W-mans.
He just leaves the room. Just gonna follow him. Oh, he's going to the
Wait a
bone scrap
minute,
noise,
Bubby!
yeah. I could... Oh my, hi! Bonk. Oh, that sucks. He missed and I stabbed him. Whoa! Big swinger, man. What is he swinging
Let me stab you!
What the fuck?
Ah.
Oh, he's swinging at you. Oh, shit. Hi. That was a bad miss, buddy. Eat shit! Honestly, bruv. Sit on the floor and think about what you've done. Uh-oh. Sit on the floor again! Think about what you've done! Think about what you've done, you bloody bloke. No! Slam it! Hi. Sit down again! Oh my!
After you.
Come on, get up. Sit! On the floor, right now. On the
He's gotten
floor.
too good at this game. He knows how to stun lock.
I can see him through the door, that's the only reason why.
I know, but still.
On the floor again.
Whoa, you gotta go. What did bro do to you?
On the floor again. He hit me. He hit a woman.
That's true.
You wanna try? It's when it's like right above his head and he's about to put it down.
Yeah. Oh, I think someone came to help.
Oh shit! Grab the health.
It's fine.
Skedaddle. Is it though? Hi, Bubba. Bonk. I stabbed him. There ain't no shot. Come on, sissy. No. 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 I made Sissy eat it too. You want some more, Bubba? Oh shit. Wait a minute.
Oh, Jesus.
I grabbed health. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my, he's mad. No, he hit me to the floor. Wait, let me get up. He didn't let me get up.
Hi, sissy.
Sit! No!
Wait, I'm dropping sissy over.
No! No, help me! He's gonna kill me! Wait, he doesn't know?
Wait, they're lost.
Wait, go get the fuck.
I dropped him. Ah!
Get up the stairs! Bro, I'm so low. Close the door, close the door. Please. Hey, excuse me. Oh, I'm out of stamina, that's why. Oh my. You're funny. Nope. Hi. Oh! That was mean. Wait a minute. Hey, hey, hey! Double team! Double team! Mean! 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 You're not playing by my rules! Good job, Bubba.
Blood did not use his ability.
I always forget about it. I don't know why. Hey, you big oaf. You overheat. Oh, Maria! Uh-oh. Oh. Hit him. Wait, why didn't he just swing?
Ooh.
Wait, hold on. Yeah, wait, go through. Ooh! Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm crawling over this thing.
Wait a minute!
Wait, he'll break it. He'll break it. Trust. Okay, he's not breaking it. I'm jumping
Wait,
back over.
wait, the door's gone.
He broke the door? Oh, no! Oh, no!
That's tough, honestly.
Oh, no! Oh, no! Where's Buzz Grab? Where's Buzz Grab? Don't go up the stairs. That's no fun. You want to chase me. Uh-oh. Somebody had a little fall. Didn't they? Don't get mad. Oh, he's mad. What?
Did a somersault.
Ow! He knocked me over.
Damn it! Damn it! Yeah.
All right, your turn.
Okay.
Unless he somehow spawns on your side of the door. No.
I can't.
Yes! What? Wait, that just hit.
Ow! I sneak attacked him, bruh.
Oh, my bad.
Move! Beat him up. That's tough, honestly.
The way you overheated as well. Don't get up. Teabagging him.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh, wait a minute!
excuse me, I need some bone
Wait,
scrap.
he's not close enough now.
That's fine. He goes around. No! I like that window! Knock it off! Dickhead. Oh shit. Wait a minute.
Whoa! Bro did a curve on me. He
Oh.
full on curve.
I see that. I didn't even know you were there. Interesting. Oh, hi, hitchhiker. Yeah, where are they, Bubba? Where'd they go? Honestly, that's crazy. Sit. Sit like a good little boy. Oh, requires a lockpick.
Hi, Grandpa.
Oh my. I'm holding myself back. I'm smooching you. Sit. Sit. Wait a minute. Whoa. Crazy. Rinse, bitch. Oh, I'm poisoned. Ugh. Owie. Oh, I thought that was open. How did they get out of the family house then? Okay, they all did. No. Where's Juliet? Can you tell me? Por favor. Hi. Excuse me.
I
Excuse me.
don't think you're gonna...
What do you mean? Oh, I hit one of them. Oh, hi, Bubba. Oh. 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 Más y manos. No. Run! Run! Let me out!
Go, dude! Go! Make it!
Nope.
No! No!
It's such a
You're
far
right there.
trek. Oh,
That's
Bubba's
tough.
Bubba's happy about it.
Yes, sir. They're teabagging it out.